Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm very excited to tell you guys about an ICO, specifically our lending platform ICO I just invested in, and why I believe this ICO is gonna be a success, and how I'm gonna make money off these lending platforms in general, and also my overall strategy will be. So let's jump right into it. On this page you can see this new ICO aka lending platform is called Addworks. So what this platform does is that it's basically are using um, the lend, they're basically integrating the lending platform with advertising companies and offers them a new medium to provide and market their services, and also a new ways of getting paid. So this page is mostly about their ICOs, and you can read through their white papers. The white paper is very thoroughly written, I would say, and it is very clear. It explains everything about the coin, specifications, allocations, how the platform works, and all those detailed technological stuff. You guys can look into it if you are interested in all those technical aspects of the business. And by the way, it's also a ERC20 token, so it's based on Ethereum network, and you can transfer the tokens offline if you want to, or you can just keep the tokens in the platform. So here is the token allocation. They offer only 3.5 million during the ICO, which is a very small number of tokens offered compared to other average ICOs, because nowadays the tokens are becoming they are becoming billions and even trillions in quantity. But this platform only offers 3.5 million ICO, and it will airdrop half a million, offer 0.7 million as referrals, and 2.5 million as reserve for lending. So this is actually very good ratios. And you know common sense, the lower the quantity of the tokens, the higher the price will be for per token. So yeah, this is a very good feature. And let's get back right to it. This one, um, what's really unique about this platform is that it's not only a lending platform, as you can see. And by the way, the token price they list here is a little high, to be honest, because the round one starts from 90 cents already, and the last round is 1.70 cents, $1.70. So the token price is a little high, because normally it will be like under $1, but nowadays everything's becoming more and more expensive. And the point of getting into these ICOs and are to getting as early as possible. So if you're getting during round one, you already double your money um, by the time the ICO closes. So it's still a good deal, but just so you know, gotta get in as early as possible. And here's a roadmap, and they just launched their uh, platform, and they have started the ICO as if now, because you can see, I think the ICO is still open, and as long as the tokens haven't sold out, you can still participate. But once every round's over, you gotta wait until the next round. I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, so they have all the rounds here. Um, One good feature I like is that they will open up their internal and external exchanges. First of all, after the ICO, they're gonna launch the landing platform in February, and follow that by an internal exchange. And after the launch of the internal exchange, uh, the token price will usually be locked at a certain price because it's their own internal exchange. They have the power to set the price. So let's say if you buy the coin at $1, and by the time the internal exchange launches and the platform sets the coin price as $10 per coin, you've already 10x your investment. And by that time, you can choose to be conservative, so just sell all your coins and take your 10x profits, or you can be more aggressive. Like you can sell like 20%, 30% of your position, and um, and then wait to see if the coin price continues to go up after it hits external exchange, or you can do a loan and locking a loan so you get paid out every single day. So there are many options out there, and you can choose uh, which one you're comfortable with. But either way, you'll be making a huge amount of money compared to your initial investment. And that's why I love those lending platforms, because you got plenty options. If you just compare to some random, just a normal coin ICO, you cannot land it. The only thing you can do with a normal coins ICO is to hope that the coin price will go up, and you can only profit from the appreciation of the token. So that's why I like those lending platforms, because it appreciates much faster, and also you have more options to do with the coins you have. And here in June, they will launch their external exchange. So that's like half a year later. But those platforms development takes time, and it cannot just happen overnight. So if you look at the war, if you like look at bitconnect and all the other lending platforms, they have you know gone through all those process and being very successful, overall in the business sense. Because look at the war, it's already $100 per token, and bitconnect is like 300, 400 per token, and they've been around for a long time now. So if you stick with it and just be patient, it will eventually pay off. And I know many people have made a fortune of just bitconnect. So you can see the power of those lending platforms. Uh, there's another good thing is the airdrop. They're gonna drop just basically give the coin out for free, uh, as a marketing uh, strategy, and to promote the platform even further. So yeah, what I really think this platform is unique is that it has its own RTP prototype. It's like another business that integrated with this landing platform. So you can see they have another business going on, which is just like the company name Addworks. It's about advertising and how to monetize on uh, advertisement, and also by helping advertisers, for to further their business and advertise on even broader audiences. Because you can see there's a prototype, uh, some screenshots of their product. I think this product uh, is already launched, and you can see here there's all the statistics they have collected, and you know in their white paper I think they specified uh, how this platform is doing and how many advertisers have already been participating. So with that being said, they have two different multiple stream of revenues. It's not just the lending platform, it also has another stream of revenue from this business. So which in return makes the platform much safer, and they have much better cash flow compared to any other lending platform. So this is it. This ICO actually opened up at 12, I think. It just opened up, and I actually bought some. Let me show you uh, the ICO. So here you can see I just bought 140 coins with yeah, I spent all my bitcoins. So I think the ICO is still open, but I think it will be closed very soon. Round 2 statistics. Uh, okay, one token, one token per $1 per token actually. So and they're accepting Bitcoin or Ethereum. So I'm telling you guys, this is my strategy for this platform, and once it hits the exchange, I'll be uh, getting my profits back, and hopefully at least 10x my money. So with that being said, this is my strategy for those lending platforms. I have more platforms I've been invested in, and they're gonna hit the exchanges very soon. And by the time I'll either uh, sell some coins or lock in some loans. And yeah, this is my strategy, and I highly recommend this platform. If you're interested, you can look into it. The link is down below. And thanks again for watching. Make sure you like the video and smash that subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.